From Temple Update, this is Update Now. I'm Marquise Roberson, and here's the very latest. Temple police found a man shot near Temple University Hospital around 2:30 Wednesday morning. The victim is a non-Temple related man and was taken to the hospital for treatment. The suspect is reported to be an African-American male in his mid-20s. He was wearing a black and white Nike hoodie. The Philadelphia police are currently investigating the incident and report that the area around the incident is safe. President Theobald sent out an email to the community referring to the attack that occurred last Tuesday to one of Temple's professors. The email included a huge concern about the safety on this campus. His plans involved enhancing safety practices and security on and off campus. Theobald thanked the community as well as Temple police for the support and care they share for our safety on university campus. In sports, 10 former Temple athletes are furthering their career in the NFL. Muhammad Wilkerson and Jaquan Jarrett contribute to the New York Jets defense, with Wilkerson on the fast track to his first Pro Bowl. Defending Super Bowl champion Bernard Pierce continues to be an asset to the Baltimore Ravens after a successful rookie season. On the West Coast, the Denver Broncos added 2 former Owls to their roster. And in weather, expect showers through Thursday and temperatures around 60 degrees. The rain will clear up Friday, leaving sunny skies for the weekend. Temperatures are expected to average in the 50s, making it a perfect day for a walk in the park. That's it for Update Now. For more news and information, be sure to check us out on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Just search Temple Update.